ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी।
जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। गोपी जन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी। यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यशोदनंदन ब्रज जन रंजन। यमुना तीरावनचारी। यमुना तीरावनचारी। जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। राधा माधव कुंज विहारी। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। नष्टप्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया। भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। Reading from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 11, Text number 16 and 17. निशम्य प्रेष्ठम् आयान्तं वसुदेवो महामनाः अग्रसेनश्च रामश्चद्भुतविक्रमः प्रद्युम्नश्चारुदेशनश्च साम्बो जाम्बवती सुताः प्रहर्ष वेगोच्छ्वसिता शयनासन भोजनाः
निशामपृष्ठम् आयान्तं
निशम्य प्रेष्ठम् आयान्तं
वासुदेवो महामनः
वसुदेवो महामनः
वासुरसङ्गसेनश्च
अक्रूरश्चोकग्रसेनश्च
रामश्चभूतविक्रमः
रामश्चाद्भुतविक्रमः
परिमाणश्च विष्णुश्च
प्रद्युम्नश्चारुदेष्णश्च
शम्भो जाम्बवती सुतः
शम्भो जाम्बवती सुतः
सहस्रवीचोच्चैश्च
सहर्षा वेगोच्छ्वसित
शयनकानभोग्नः
शयनासनभोजनाः निशम्य just hearing प्रेष्ठम् the dearmost आयान्तं coming home Vasudevah Vasudev the father of Krishna Mahamanaha the magnanimous Akrura Akrura Cha and Ugrasenaha Ugrasen Cha and Ramaha Balaram Cha and Adbhuta superhuman Vikramaha poet Pradyumnaha Pradyumna Charudeshnaha Charudeshna Cha and Sambaha Samba Jambavati Sutaha the son of Jambavati Saharsha extreme happiness Vega force Uchchashita being influenced by Shayana lying down Asana sitting on Bhojana dining. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace Sri Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. On hearing that the most dear Krishna was approaching Dwarkadham, magnanimous Vasudeva, Akrura, Ugrasena, Balaram, Pradyumna, Charudeshna, and Samba, the son of Jambavati, all extremely happy, abundant resting, sitting, and dining. Please repeat. On hearing that the most dear Krishna was approaching Dwarkadham, magnanimous Vasudev, not Vasudev, it is Vasudev, Akrura, Ugrasena, Balaram, Pradyumna, Charudeshna, and Samba, the son of Jambavati, all extremely happy, abundant resting, sitting and dining. Purport. Vasudeva, son of King Shurasena, husband of Devaki and father of Lord Shri Krishna, he is the brother of Kunti and father of Subhadra. Subhadra was married with her cousin Arjuna, and this system is still prevalent in some parts of India. Vasudeva was appointed minister of Ugrasena. Later on, he married 8 daughters of Ugrasena's brother, Devaka. Devaki is only one of them. Kamsa was his brother-in-law, and Vasudeva accepted voluntary imprisonment by Kamsa on mutual agreement to deliver the 8th son of Devaki. This was foiled by the will of Krishna. As maternal uncle of the Pandavas, he took active part in the purificatory process of the Pandavas. He sent for the priest Kashyapa at the Shat-Shranga Parvata, and he executed the functions. When Krishna appeared within the bars of Princess prison house, he was transferred by Vasudeva to the house of Nanda Maharaj, the foster father of Krishna at Gokula. Krishna disappeared along with Baladeva prior to the disappearance of Vasudeva, and Arjuna, Vasudeva's nephew, undertook the charge of the funeral ceremony after Vasudeva's disappearance. Akrura, the commander-in-chief of the Vrishni dynasty and a great devotee of Lord Krishna. Akrura attained success in devotional service to the Lord by the one single process of offering prayers. He was the husband of Tutani, daughter of Ahuka. He supported Arjuna when Arjuna took Subhadra forcibly away by the will of Krishna. Both Krishna and Akrura went to see Arjuna after his successful kidnapping of Subhadra. Both of them presented dowries to Arjuna after this incident. Akrura was present also when Abhimanyu, the son of Subhadra, was married with Uttara, mother of Maharaj Parikshit. Ahuka, the father-in-law of Akrura, was not on good terms with Akrura, but both of them were devotees of the Lord. Ugrasena, one of the powerful kings of the Vrishni dynasty and cousin of Maharaj Kunti Bhoj. His other name is Ahuka. His minister was Vasudeva, and his son was the powerful Kamsa. This Kamsa imprisoned his father and became the king of Mathura. By the grace of Lord Krishna and his brother, Lord Baldeva, Kamsa was killed, and Ugrasena was reinstalled on the throne. When Shalva attacked the city of Dwarka, Ugrasena fought very valiantly and repulsed the enemy. Ugrasena inquired from Naradji about the divinity of Lord Krishna. When the Yadu dynasty was to be vanquished, Ugrasena was entrusted with the iron lump produced from the womb of Samba. He cut the iron lump into pieces and then pasted it and mixed it up with the sea water on the coast of Dwarka. After this, he ordered complete prohibition within the city of Dwarka and the kingdom. He got salvation after his death. Baladeva is the divine son of Vasudeva by his wife Rohini. He is also known as Rohini Nandana, the beloved son of Rohini. He was also entrusted to Nanda Maharaj along with his mother Rohini when Vasudeva embraced imprisonment by mutual agreement with Kamsa. So Nanda Maharaj is also the foster father of Baladeva along with Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna and Lord Baladeva were constant companions from their very childhood, although they were stepbrothers. He is a plenary manifestation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and therefore he is as good and powerful as Lord Krishna. He belongs to the Vishnu Tattva, the principle of Godhead. He attended the Swayamvara ceremony of Draupadi along with Sri Krishna. When Subhadra was kidnapped by Arjuna by the organized plan of Sri Krishna, Baldeva was very angry with Arjuna and wanted to kill him at once. Sri Krishna, for the sake of his dear friend, fell at the feet of Lord Baldeva and implored him not to be so angry. Sri Baldeva was thus satisfied. Similarly, he was once very angry with Kauravas and he wanted to throw their whole city into the depths of the Yamuna. But the Kauravas satisfied him by surrendering unto his divine lotus feet. He was actually the seventh son of Devaki prior to the birth of Lord Krishna, but by the will of the Lord he was transferred to the womb of Rohini to escape the wrath of Kamsa. His other name is therefore Sankarshana, who is also the plenary portion of Sri Baladeva. Because he is as powerful as the Lord Krishna and can bestow spiritual power to the devotees, he is therefore known as Baladeva. In the Vedas also it is enjoined that no one can know the Supreme Lord without being favored by Baladeva. Bala means spiritual strength, not physical. Some less intelligent persons interpret Bala as the strength of the body. But no one can have spiritual realization by physical strength. Physical strength ends with the end of the physical body, but spiritual strength follows the spirit soul to the next transmigration. And therefore, the strength obtained by Baladeva is never wasted. The strength is eternal, and thus Baladeva is the original spiritual master of all devotees. Shri Baladeva was also a class friend of Lord Shri Krishna as a student of Sandipani Muni. In his childhood, he killed many asuras along with Shri Krishna, and specifically he killed the Dhenukasura at Talavan. During the Kurukshetra battle, he remained neutral and he tried his best not to bring about the fight. He was in favor of Duryodhan, but still he remained neutral. When there was a club fight between Duryodhan and Bhimsen, he was present on the spot. He was angry at Bhimsen when the latter struck Duryodhan on the thigh or below the belt, and he wanted to retaliate the unfair action. Lord Shri Krishna saved Bhima from his wrath, but he left the place at once, being disgusted at Bhimsen. And after his departure, Duryodhana fell to the ground to meet his death. The funeral ceremony of Abhimanyu, the son of Arjuna, was performed by him, as he was the maternal uncle. It was impossible to be performed by any one of the Pandavas, who were all overwhelmed with grief. At his last stage, he departed from this world by producing a great white snake from his mouth, and thus he was carried by Sheshanaga in the shape of a serpent. Pradyumna. Incarnation of Kamadev, or according to others, incarnation of Sanata Kumara, born as the son of the personality of Goddess Lord Shri Krishna, and Lakshmi Devi Srimati Rukmini, the principal queen at Dwaraka. He was one of those who went to congratulate Arjuna upon his marrying Subhadra. He was one of the great generals who fought with Shalva, and while fighting with him, he became unconscious on the battlefield. His charioteer brought him back to the camp from the battlefield, and for this action he was very sorry and rebuked his charioteer. However, he fought again with Shalva and was victorious. He heard all about the different demigods from Naradji. He is one of the 4 plenary expansions of Lord Shri Krishna. He is the 3rd one. He inquired from his father Shri Krishna about the glories of the Brahmanas. During the fratricidal war amongst the descendants of Yadu, he died at the hand of Bhoja, another king of the Varshnis. After his death, he was installed in his original position. Charudeshma, another son of Lord Shri Krishna and Rukmini Devi. He was also present during the Swayamvar ceremony of Draupadi. He was a great warrior like his brothers and father. He fought with Vivindhaka and killed him in the fight. Samba, one of the great heroes of the Yadu dynasty and son of Lord Shri Krishna by his wife Jambavati. He learned the military art of throwing arrows from Arjuna. He became a member of parliament during the time of Maharaj Yudhishthir. He was present during the Rajasuya Yagya of Maharaj Yudhishthir, when all the Vrishnis were assembled during the time of Prabhata Yagya. His glorious activities were narrated by Satyaki before Lord Baldev. He was also present along with his father Lord Shri Krishna during the Ashwamedha Yagya performed by Yudhishthira. He was presented before some rishis falsely dressed as a pregnant woman by his brother, and in fun he asked the rishis what he was going to deliver. The rishis replied that he would deliver a lump of iron, which would be the cause of fratricidal war in the family of Yadu. The next day in the morning, Samba delivered a large lump of iron, which was entrusted with Ugrasena for necessary action. Actually, later on, there was a foretold fratricidal war